There are many different creatures, planets, and formations outside the planet Earth, but there's one mysterious formation that sticks out to me in particular, which would be the life cycle of a star. So today, let's talk about the life cycle of a star in under 2 minutes. The very first stage of the star cycle is the stellar nebula cloud. The nebula cloud is a formation of dust clouds. Its main goal is to form an equilibrium between gravity, the pressure from its core, and finally the temperature. Next, it can be split into two different paths, resulting in two different end results. Additionally, the paths are called the average star route and the massive star route. After the average star completes a balance of all three of its key elements, it begins heating up its own supply of hydrogen and helium through the process known as nuclear fusion. Next, once it's done achieving this state, it becomes a red giant. The red giant loses fuel, resulting in an expansion of the star by up to 1,000 times its original size. Once this process is finished, it becomes a planetary nebula, which this state no longer has any energy left. It begins to lose its layers and forms a complex structure. Lastly, once the complex structure is complete, it transforms into a white dwarf. This is the final result of the average star. It doesn't do anything in this state, in which it's known as the state of emptiness. Next, going back to the massive star path, the fundamental star produces heavy amounts of metals that help regulate the buildup rates of the normal stars. Once this state is complete, it becomes one of the largest stars in the entire universe. It's known as the red supergiant. It has a short life cycle and usually forms at the end of the star life. Next, the red supergiant forms a stellar explosion called the supernova. It's triggered by the last of the lost remaining fuel. Additionally, this explosion can cause two different end results. The first result being a neutron star, which is the remaining particles from the supernova that exploded prior hand. The second result can cause a black hole to occur, having infinite amounts of gravity and no mass. Nothing can escape a black hole except for the speed of light. This concludes the life cycle of a star under 2 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content similar to this.